Good evening, everyone. It is October 6th, 2017. We're here with a $10 break. 2017 Topps Triple Threads Baseball. One box break number 23. Random teams. So only 22 spots. There are a handful of combo teams. So let's roll the dice. A 1 and a 5. So 6 times on the list of names and teams. 6 times. So 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th and final time. After 6 times, Brian Matoy, you're at the top, and Anthony T, you're at the bottom. So there's the list of names, and let's go 6 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th and final time. After 6 times, Angels are at the top, Astros at the bottom. Alright, so Brian, you have the Angels, TJ with the Mets, Lionel with the Nationals, James O, you have the Royals, Rays combo, Michael G with the Indians, Pirates, Brian Matoy with the Cubs, Ben L with the Mariners, Travis with the Twins, Padres combo, Jason M with the Giants, Ben, you have the Marlins Athletics combo, Mike Tower with the Dodgers, David K with the Cardinals, Jason K, you have the Yankees, James Payne with the Rockies D-backs combo, Brian, you have the Braves, Mike Coons with the Blue Jays and Rangers, as well as the Red Sox. Marty, Last Bomb Mojo with the Reds and Tigers. Cameron with the Brewers Phillies combo, as well as the Orioles. Colin Matoy with the White Sox. And Anthony T, you have the Houston Astros. Alright, guys. Well, quickly, if you guys are going to make any trades, I will allow it within the next minute or so. And if there are no trade activity and nothing like that, I may just stop it right away. I'm just going to go get these boxes.
Oh, yeah, that's a huge hit. That's definitely a huge hit. He's one of the top prospects, in, not only for the Indians, but in baseball in general.
Mejia? Mets, anyone? This is what TJ is saying. So if nobody wants to trade with the Mets with TJ, then I'm just going to close the trade window. Alright, TJ. Sorry about that, man. I'm just going to close it. Alright, so there were 18 total boxes at one point. As you can see, boxes remaining is box 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 18. So let's generate one box for this break. Let me just quickly show you the list of customers that are in this, so good luck. Last Bomb Mojo, Reds and Tigers combo.
Get out!
Who's that?
Get out! Get out!
Who is that?
Justin Turner, 3-run
Nice.
home run.
Alright, and we generate box 16, which is available. So 16 is right here. Justin Turner with a 3-run home run. There you go. These boxes will be for future breaks, which when I get done with this, I'll put up another box break in the store. So good luck, everyone. This looks like a big pack. Is there a book in here? Or am I just psyching myself out? Most likely psyching myself out. Yeah, I'm psyching myself out. All right, so Buster Posey, that is a 6 of 150 for the Giants. We have Daniel Murphy, 290 of 340 for the Nationals. Syndergaard, Arenado, and Ryan Sandberg. And then we have Brandon Belt. And it is a 1 of 1 wood frame. Look at that. What are these called? Wood cards, right? A 1 of 1 Brandon Belt wood out of Triple Threads. Giants going to Jason M. Look at that. What a beauty. Man, I've been pulling some nice 1-of-1s today. Damn. That was pretty sweet. Whoop. And a Paul Goldschmidt. That is 1 of 27. Arizona Diamondbacks. That's going to James Payne with the Rockies Diamondbacks combo. All right. Mookie Betts, 200 of 250. Justin Verlander, 122 of 340. Wow. Wow, what a box. Oh my god. Sorry about that, guys. Jake Arrieta, Bryce Harper. Omedius Diaz, 38 of 50. Okay, maybe I psyched myself out just a little bit. Cardinals. David K. I may have got a little too excited, but still, I mean, still a great player. Been wanting to hit him for a while. And we have right here a Derek Jeter, 8 of 9 for the Yankees. Midsummer farewell. That is a 8 of 9 Derek Jeter. I thought this was ink, but still. Nice hit for the Yankees and Jason K. Nice box. 8 of 9 with a 1 of 1 as well, Derek Jeter. Whew. All right, guys, well, that was the break. That was Topps Triple Threads Baseball. 1 box break number 23. A 1 of 1 wood of Brandon Bell and a Derek Jeter. 8 of 9. So there you go. 10buckbreaks.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.